2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play Photograph by Ed Sheeran. And I can't believe I haven't done this song yet, but anyway, it's always a first for everything. I've seen people putting capos at different places for this song or playing open tuning, but I decided to do it on 4th fret. It sits really nice with the open chords for the beginners and also playing that beautiful melody. It sits very good in C. Okay, so let's go. We only have, what is it? 1, 2, I think we have 4 chords total. So the song is in C or C shape. So let's go over the melody last, because that's the hardest part. So the verse starts with C major, first finger, B, second finger, D, third finger, A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift up your third finger, make that an A minor, 7. To G major, second finger, third finger, pinky. To F major, and I like to play F major like this. It's not a bar chord and it's not the small F, it's in the middle. First finger, second finger G, third finger on the A string, and pinky on the D string, 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3, C. And all I'm doing is downstrokes here. Let's do that again. Also muting my hand, the bridge a little bit, putting my hand on the strings to get that muting sound. G major. Okay, let's go to the pre-chorus. A minor to F, C, minor, F, C, G, and then we have the big chorus. And let's start muting again. C, G here, A minor, F, 2, 3, 4. Second verse, C major, to open up. Let's try more. A minor, pre-chorus. F, C, G. One more time. A minor to F, C to G, chorus. C major to G, G to A minor. That's F, C, C, G, G, A minor. And then we have a little middle part here before the last chorus, and that's the same as the pre-chorus. They just stay longer on each chord. They go 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, F, C, G, down, and then we have the last chorus there. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna go over the intro now at the end. This is quite hard and not for beginners. So we have the melody. So over the C, we want to go. So C, B, C, G, F, E. So we want to do that over each chord. And then for A minor. Over the E, G, sorry. Okay, thanks folks for tuning in and jamming this awesome song with me. I'll see you tomorrow with more great music. Be safe.